Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. Gonna be doing a disassembly and maintenance on the Vosteed Acorn. This is a really good knife. Really good knife. The jumping is amazing. This blade shape to the contoured handle micarta to the clip. I'm okay with the clip. It's lefty. I mean, this is a good subcompact. I mean, it is compact, but it could do big jobs. In any case, let's go ahead and get in this bad boy. I was thinking of getting the other, when I first got this, was getting the other versions, but I did like this micarta and the satin, so I really like this one. T8s. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Alright. Do I need to? That liner comes off. Okay. Yeah, I knew it. Looking around it, sometimes inspect it before. Because sometimes you don't have to take off pocket clips and stuff when you just simply want to get in there and clean it. So that way you won't have, you won't come across the usual uncentering or any kind of things that could, on the body screws each side, one's tighten more. I mean, it could always have a centering issue. So what I do is simply get in here, clean it, take my bearings, clean those, and don't mess around with it too much, Unless you're scale swapping and all that, but these are particularly made for them. So I don't need to take the liners out, meaning I don't need to take the screw out, this pillar out, that lanyard tube, that liner, that pocket clip. This is what is my concern: the cutting, the bearings, the pivot. Everything else just gets a good wipe down. All right. Clear out the pivots. Just make sure there's nothing in there. I don't think there is. This thing's usually kept pretty clean. All right. Let's go ahead and just go. Just lubricating anything that's going to be surface to surface. That boy. Alright, yeah, these tight tolerances. Finish. Great. Boom. Like a glove. Just a little dab of there, yeah. Alright. KPL is trying to run from me. No. Okay. Ooh. Well, that's okay, because I'm going to wipe it down the track of the blade. OCD, kicking in. My apologies. Alright, so let's put this guy tube. Alright, not before. So here's look. Like a glove again. Wow. All right. Let's go ahead and finish this up. Okay. Just snug. Alright, now let's button it up. I don't think that's still tight enough. Not for my liking. You got centration. Yeah. Pretty good. Rock solid. So comfortable in the hand. Very. Yeah. I like this knife a lot. Right now I'm just tweaking it. There we go. It's like a Goldilocks zone, I like, where drops, maybe one shake instead of, you know, which I tend to do a lot anyway. So if it's already like that, it'll bounce. So if I could have it just a little tight, bring it back in my pocket, bring it out, make it cut, bam, back in. That's how you have to do with liners, line locks and frame locks. It's that extra little, but it could all be done quickly. And once these are broken in like crazy, the action gets even better. And it's not even a heavy blade. That's the great thing. Usually action comes from a heavy blade or just really good made knives, but some are purely just the weight of the knife or blade. But these little bangers are so smooth. But that'll do it. That was the breakdown, disassembly, cleaning of the Vosteed Acorn. That'll do it on that one. I'll be back. This is Spider G. If you could like, sub, comment, that'd be great. Have fun, stay safe. I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.